1993. A year that defied gravity. WISC. The 4th FAI World Indoor Skydiving Championships. 25 countries. More than 230 flyers. This is no more competition. This is a spectacle of courage.
This is more than a game. You better get ready. Shock the world.
Warriors of the Wind comes to Slovakia, to Hurricane Factory Tatarlandia, Liptovsky Mikulas. From every corner of the globe, champions converged, competing not just against each other, but against the very laws of nature.
Shock the world! Shock the world! This is more than a game. You better get ready. Go ahead, get ready. Shock the world.
Humanity versus gravity. In the cyclone of simulated winds, they danced an aerial ballet.
Welcome to the future. Everything new, walking on the edge. It's nothing that you're used to. Only the strong survive. You better catch your breath. Oh man, they ain't ready for it. This is something that they can't ignore. Coming down like a meteor. This is more than a game. You better get ready. Shock the world.
A testament to ambition. A spectacle of human willpower.
This is more than a game. You better get ready. Go ahead, get ready. Shock the world. Shock the world.
Defying gravity and embracing dreams.
Shock the world. Shock the world.
An uprising of the human spirit. WISC. The world watched. The world was amazed. The world was shocked.